All right, fellas, last break of the night, and then I'm going to take a nap. So this is box number 9 of Big Box. So the fourth one we've done of the night. Appreciate you guys jumping in. I love this is some great stuff that we're breaking here. So have a lot of fun with these breaks. So we're going to finish up tonight with this last one, and then we've got a couple more that we'll do next weekend. So let's see if we can pull that Jeter and that Jordan. So box number 6 out of 25. There are 5 to 7 autographed pieces of memorabilia in here. So we've got it broken up by last name, $65 a spot. Gives you 2 random last names. So let's see what we can do here. So let's randomize the last names first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so W on the top, E down at the bottom. All right, so John W., you've got a spot. John, you've got 2 spots. Marty's got 2. Ray's got 1. Josh K with 1. Cars with 1. Arturo with 2. And then Dale helped us finish the break. So we owe something to Dale tonight. All right, and then everybody gets two spots, or 2 last names. So here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Dale's at the top, Ray down at the bottom. All right, here we go. So Dale, you've got W. Marty's got D. Dale's got R. Marty with G. John with T. Cars with V. Arturo's got F. Marty with C. Arturo's got J again. John W. with Y, L, and S. Ray with M. Cars with A. Josh has got N. Marty with P. Arturo with B. Josh K with K. Arturo with H. And then Ray, you've got E. All right, so everybody feeling good on this. Dale, you got some better letters this time. R and W. Man, you guys just cracking the whip. All right, so let me show you here. Everything's looking sealed up. Same on this one. Started to bubble up, but this one's stuck in, looks like in the corner. Or in the seal there. So sealed up here on the end. A couple of dings at the bottom from shipping. That seal's on. That seal's on there, and that seal's on there. All right, this one feels a little bit heavier, so I don't know, bat, helmet. All right, it's not a bat, but there is a helmet. Looks like we got a Notre Dame helmet. Oh, nice one here. Sticker pulled off. There's the auto. It is a Notre Dame. Got Irish right there across the front. And that is a Tim Brown. There you go, right there. Tim Brown, nice helmet there. So B is going to be Arturo. Good way to start out. All right, let's see what else we can get out of here. I think we pulled this one the last time. Marty, you ended up with this, I think. Super Bowl 30 program signed by Emmitt Smith. Beckett C of A there on the back. Last name S, that's going to be John W. John, nice, dude. So you've got the Emmitt Smith helmet. And now a sweet Emmitt Smith program. All right, Arturo. And we were just pulling this guy left and right. We got another Stan Lee. Last name L. Oh, it's going to John W. this time. The Man Called Nova. So what year is this? It's 1976. I guess I didn't realize they grade these like cars. So I guess that's graded 9.5, 9.4. There's the auto right there. Another nice pull for John. Oh, dude, sweet. How about a Yogi Berra? Check that out. PSA DNA certified authentic auto. 1990 Perez Steel. Number to 5,000 there. I don't know if that's the autos or just the pictures. So that's going to be B, which is Arturo. Yeah, John and Arturo cleaning the house on this one. All right, got two more. I pulled this one last week too. Got another Mark Teixeira and Mariano Rivera dual auto. So Dale, you're in this one, man. So last name R is Dale and T is going to be John W. So this will be a random. There's Teixeira's auto. There's Mariano Rivera. All right, so we'll random that off. All right, and then we got a jersey here at the bottom, and they stuck it on the bottom. And I'm just saying, why would they put this on the bottom? Dang it. But we got a nice one here, Jim Palmer. JSA and David Adams certified. Hall of Fame 90. Is that you, Marty? Hey, you finally got one. So still haven't found the Jordan or the Jeter. That's out. All right, so no more there. So let's do a random between Dale and John. All right. So here we go. We will random this 5 times. Name at the top is going to get it. So between John and Dale. So good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh my gosh. Going to John W. John, happy for you, man. Good job. Congrats on that. Nice box for you. Dale. Dale, I'm going to send you something, man. That's insane. All right, so that's going to do it for Hit Parade. So still looking for the Jordan and the Jeter. Get all of that stuff mailed out to you guys tomorrow. And you guys have a great night, great week, and we will see you guys back next weekend.